Good morning, children. Welcome to science class. So, in science, we are learning the 15th block, which is local sources of water, isn't it, children? And in this, we have learned different uses of water in the first topic. Yes. So, in the second topic, we are going to learn what are the sources of water, that is, sources of water. Okay. So, here, children, you have two main sources of water. The first one is your surface water. Okay, surface water is the water which is on the top of the ground. You can say on the ground. Okay, so the water source which is on the ground, on the top of the ground, those water sources are called as surface water. And the examples for this surface water are rivers, lakes, ponds, all these are surface water. Okay, next you have groundwater. The second source of water is groundwater. So this groundwater is under the ground. How it goes under the ground? At the time of raining, children, when it is raining, the rainwater soaks into the ground. It gets into the ground. Soaking means it the ground absorbs that rainwater. Okay, and this, when observing, the water goes through the soil, sand and rocks and gets stored under the ground. Okay, and we can use this groundwater by taking it out. We can take that underwater groundwater by wells or hand pumps or tube wells. So with these we can get that groundwater. Okay, so from the ground you will get under the ground, isn't it, children? So from that you can get through wells, water pumps, tube wells. All these are examples of groundwater. And if you see desert, do you know desert, children? So desert is completely filled with sand. There'll be no water bodies, isn't it? In that places you can see oasis. Okay, so in that dry place, in that no water body places also, there are small water bodies which are found in the desert, and that is called as oasis. And around this water body you can see some trees. Okay, this small water body in the desert is surrounded by some trees like palm trees and all. Okay, so that is oasis. So these are the different sources of water. Oasis is only found in the desert, children. Okay, groundwater and surface water. Surface water you can see along the rivers, lakes and ponds. Groundwater is available at some places. It is not that particular place like desert. It might be available at any point where it rains more. Okay, there you can have more of groundwater. Okay, children, so this is our topic for today, children. I have given few keywords in your daily schedule. Please learn them and write it in your classwork. Coming to your home question answers. Sorry, question answers. You have named two sources of water, two main sources of water on earth. Give one example of each. What are the two main sources? Surface water and groundwater. So the two main sources of water on earth are surface water. And what is the example? Lake. And groundwater, example, well. You can write hand pumps also. Okay, so write this answer in your classwork and please learn it, children. Coming to your next question, what does the amount of groundwater depend on? So on what factor the groundwater depends on? How can we get groundwater for our use? It depends on the amount of rainfall, isn't it, children? The amount of rainfall, if the amount of rainfall is more, the groundwater will be more, because the ground absorbs that rainwater and that and gets stored under the ground, isn't it, children? So that is nothing but your groundwater. That means the amount of groundwater depends on rain. And how we can get the groundwater? By wells, hand pumps, tube wells. Okay, so write these two answers and learn it, children. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book 2, page number 36. S2, water sources. Okay, so in the next class, we will learn the next topic, children. See you in the next class. Bye.